Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'll be changing out a bunch of different components in this bathtub slash shower. So this bathroom is 20 years old, and the only thing I've updated so far has been this shower head. As far as everything else, it does not look good and it doesn't function properly. So this is broken. This is the valve trim piece, and the cartridge in there is failing. And then this is the tub faucet. It doesn't want to lock in place, and it's leaking everywhere when I'm showering. And this is okay, the overflow, it just cosmetically does not look good. And then the drain for the tub is broken. So I'm gonna fix that. If you wanna check out any of the products I'm gonna be using in this video to upgrade and repair this bathtub slash shower, check out the links down in the description below for the best deal. So we're going to get started by going outside and shutting off the water main, because this valve trim piece has the cartridge in here that has to be removed, and you don't want water spraying everywhere. So I'm gonna go outside and shut off the main water supply. All right, remove the cover and look down inside here. It's kind of hard to see it, but I need to move that clockwise and match it over there to turn off the water main. So I just use this adjustable wrench to turn that valve, and you can see now it's off. All right, so I tried to remove the handle with the Allen key. That did not work, so I'm going to try to drill it out now. Okay, so I finally got it off. I had to drill it and keep twisting it until it came off. It was really seized on there. Now we just gotta take off the sleeve. That's what that looks like. And then I'll go ahead and take off this ring and this finishing piece here for the valve trim. So I finally got the retaining nut off. Whew, I'm exhausted. So this required for me to tap on it several times and spray some PB Blaster in there. And that's it right there, retaining nut. All right, so now I'm gonna take off the cartridge. Screw this in place. Try to pull this out by hand. Using this flathead to try to pry it open there. Once you start getting a gap in there, it gets easier. There we go. Let's get in there. There we go. That's it, folks. Take off that. All right, so here's the old cartridge right here. And this is what it looks like in the opening part. You can see the valves there for the hot to the left and the cold on the right. Okay, so this is the new cartridge right here. So that's the back of it, the front, the sides. Now when you're installing this back in there, make sure that you lubricate these gaskets right here. These 3 gaskets. I'm using this stuff right here. You can pick whatever you want. And then when you stick it in there, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna try to zoom into it, but your hot water is always on your left side. I don't know if you can see that. Hot water's on the left side. So it's gonna go in there just like that. So let's go ahead and lubricate this thing. A little bit on here. And a little bit on here. And I'll just work my way with my finger and just lubricate the whole thing. Here, so stick it in there just like that. Secure this down so I don't push everything, jam it in there. So I have the water cartridge installed. Should look like this. Sorry I didn't capture it in video. Someone called me. I didn't realize it cut off the video, but I use this little rubber mallet right here to give it a little tap right there. And that's how you want it done. You want it to be right up against that little divot right there. All right, so I'll put some thread tape on. Like to hand tighten it first. All right, now we're gonna crank it down a little bit with the adjustable wrench. Okay, it's on there good. Next, we're gonna put our rubber gasket on the back end of this, just like that. Slide this on. Gonna put our new cover on. All right, now I need my Allen key so I can put the handle on. There we go, that looks better. All right, that sounds real good. So that's done. That's what it looks like now. And on to the other stuff. All right, time to remove this faucet for the tub. I think this is a twisty, so turn it counterclockwise. And that's what a 20-year-old tub faucet looks like. Nasty. Then this needs to be loosened up. Counterclockwise. Right, this one has that adapter on it. The new one right here, this is compatible with this 1-inch brass adapter. You'll see it right here on the top. So I'm gonna take this apart and screw this off. So this is what the original adapter looks like versus the newer one. The difference is the top part. This is a 1/2 inch diameter and this is a 1 inch. So I'm gonna go and screw this into here. You can use the provided thread tape, but I'm going to screw this on here. And this is going to screw into this now. And again, you can use some thread tape, plumber's tape, and put it on there if you want. But I'm just gonna screw mine in. That looks straight to me. All right, so everything's done. The valve trim kit with the handle and the water cartridge is done. Did the faucet, and I did the cover overflow right here, which was really easy. I didn't show that, but you just take off the screws and put it in. And then this drain I put in is just a drop-in kind of kit. I'll show it to you really quick here. You just drop it in, just like this. And you want to clog it up. Just push it down. And when you want to let the water go down the drain, you just unclog it, just like that. Now to test out the shower, I'm going to turn this on, pull this up, and there we go.
Remember, I'll link everything down in the description below this video for all these bathroom replacement parts. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.